Hi, welcome to week 3 of Origami Online. My name is Mizuho. I am a library officer at Kingston Libraries. This week, we are going to make a box. It's very easy to make and it's handy to have to store any small objects like your jewelries or buttons or your favorite stickers. You need square piece of paper to make this. If you don't have square piece of paper at home, that's fine. Just find any paper at home and cut into square. Alright, let's get started. First, we are going to place the paper with the white side facing up and colored side facing down. Then go ahead and fold the paper in half to make a triangle shape so that bottom left corner meets the top right corner. Unfold the paper and fold the paper in half again, but this time we're gonna bring the bottom left and top right corner together. You can now see two diagonal lines. Where these lines intersect is the center of the square. Now fold all four corners towards the center. Make sure you fold it firmly. What we are trying to do here is to create a clear and sharp crease. You can make a good crease by running the side of your fingertip along the fold like I'm doing here. We are going to fold the bottom edge up towards the center. Then go ahead and fold the top edge down towards the center. Again, use your fingertip to fold firmly. Then we are going to fold the right and left edge over so that they meet at the center of the square. Now unfold the triangles on your left and right, and then fold the top and bottom edge towards the center of the square. Can you see a crease line here? I'm gonna draw a line with a pen so it's easier for you to see. Now you should be able to see two lines. One line on the left, another line on the right. Now follow this line and fold the right flap down. Unfold and fold it up along the line. Let's repeat the same step on the left side. Follow the line and fold the left corner up. Unfold and then fold the corner downwards. Now it's time to make a box. Lift the top and bottom edges to create the walls. Follow the crease and press down the edges on the sides. The box should start to take shape naturally. Fold the top triangle part of the paper towards the center. Repeat the step on the other side. Let the crease guide you. This is why it's so important to create a good crease in the previous steps. Press down the side edges and then tuck the top triangle part of the paper into the center of the box. And that is it. You should have a small box in front of you. What are you going to store in your origami box? I popped my favorite buttons in it. Let us know by sharing your photos on our Kingston Creators Facebook page. See you next time.